These assassins of the plant kingdom are so toxic that even a nibble can be the last thing you ever taste. This video will help you identify and steer clear of fatal flowers that can even kill a human. Oleander. This popular evergreen shrub may entice you with its 20-foot-tall stature, rough lanceolate leaves, and colorful, fragrant, funnel-shaped flowers that are so easy to grow and manageable. But it's a trap. All parts of it contain a compound called cardiac glycoside that is toxic to humans, dogs, cats, livestock, and birds. Deadly nightshade. If you spot a drooping purplish wildflower growing in the wastelands of Europe, turn around and walk away. This plant has alkaloids like atropine and scopolamine that are toxic to humans, pets, and livestock. Angel's trumpet. Next on our list of flowers that are fatal to humans is an evergreen tropical shrub or tree with beautiful pendulous blooms that comprise tropane alkaloids. If any of the parts are ingested, leaves, flowers, or seeds, these alkaloids can lead to life-threatening symptoms and even death. Water hemlock. Water hemlock is a member of the carrot family, but don't go munching on it. This perennial contains cicutoxin, which is deadly to humans, pets, and livestock. It has purple, striped to mottled hollow stems and clusters of small white flowers. Foxglove. Foxglove can be a heart stopper, literally. Its flowers, leaves, stems, and roots contain cardiac glycosides, which can lead to cardiac arrest. Its nectar-filled tubular flowers, which appear in purple, pink, and white, are adorned with a speckled texture, but they are really toxic. Rosary pea. This evergreen pea naturally contains one of the most potent toxins known to man, evergreen. The entire plant is toxic, but its red seeds with black spots are more so. Producing dainty pink-white blooms, this plant is illegal to grow in the USA. Castor bean. Castor bean is one plant you should stay away from. Its flowers, leaves, and more importantly seeds contain a compound called ricin, which is fatal to eat and smell. Blooming in fall, it grows naturally on roadsides, fields, pastures, or other disturbed areas, especially in rich, moist soils in frost-free climates. Autumn crocus. This popular perennial herb is a classic fall favorite with lilac and pink goblet-shaped blooms. However, it contains high amounts of the toxin colchicine, which is used in medicinal purposes but can also be lethal to humans and pets. Yellow jessamine. Yellow jessamine, or Carolina jessamine, is the state flower of South Carolina. Despite its recognition, it isn't a human-friendly bloom. Almost every part of this plant is highly poisonous, and eating a few flowers or roots can kill humans due to its high concentration of alkaloids. Poison hemlock. Last on our list of fatal flowers is the poison hemlock, made famous as the plant that killed the Greek philosopher Socrates. Growing up to 10 feet tall and 6 feet wide, this plant is responsible for quite a few deaths to this day. It contains the alkaloid conine, and consuming it can lead to weak pulse, convulsions, coma, and death. So next time you're out in nature or planting your garden, keep an eye out for these deadly beauties. They may look innocent, but one wrong move could be your last. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.